Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of polynomials. This is an NCERT textbook question. This is also the eighth question or the eighth practice question in the series of polynomials. I will strongly urge you to watch all the theory videos and the previous practice questions. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. Let's start solving this one. Since we have solved many questions like this before, I will be slightly faster than usual while solving this one. The question says g of s is equal to 4s square minus 4s plus 1, and the question wants us that we should find the zeros of the quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, so now we know that if f of x is a quadratic polynomial, the standard format is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard format of a quadratic polynomial. If I compare the coefficients of the terms with variable degree, two variables with power 2, power 1 and the constant, I find out that a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus of 4 and c is equal to 1. So the sum of the roots is denoted by alpha plus beta, and this will be equal to minus of b by a, which will be equal to 4 upon 4. This is minus of 4, so it will become plus 4, and 4 upon 4, which is equal to 1. So when we get the zeros of the polynomials, we should see that the sum of the polynomials is 1, and the product of roots, which is denoted by alpha multiplied by beta, is equal to c by a, and this should be equal to c is 1 and b is minus of 4. So this is, sorry, c is 1 and a is 4, so this should be equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so we should validate that product of roots is 1 by 4. Now let's start solving the quadratic. Now our quadratic is g of s is equal to 4s square minus 4s plus 1, and I'm just plain simple factorizing it. 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. If you do not understand why did I break it as 2s and 2s, this is a concept that we studied in the factorization chapter of class 9. If you're weak in this chapter, I will urge you to go back and watch that playlist. The link is again there in the description. So now let me break this down further, and g of s becomes 4, sorry, let me take 2s out as common. So if I take 2s out as common, I get 2s minus 1, and here if I take minus 1 out as common, I get 2s minus 1. Okay, and this gives me g of s is equal to 2s minus 1 multiplied by 2s minus 1. If I put either one of them as 0, I get s is equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So there are two roots or two zeros of the equation, and both of them are equal to half. Okay, so the function has equal roots. Now sum of the roots is equal to half plus half, which is equal to 1. Now you see sum of the roots, by actually finding the roots and adding them up, we got 1, and here also the sum of the roots is 1. And similarly the product of the roots is equal to half multiplied by half, which is equal to 1 by 4. We got this by actually multiplying the roots, and this is equal to 1 by 4 here. And this, my friends, is the solution to the question. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.